In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to mention someone on your WhatsApp status. This is a small but meaningful way to acknowledge and celebrate your relationship with them. Whether it's to express gratitude, share a special memory, or highlight an inside joke, tagging someone can make them feel valued and appreciated. To do this, simply head to your WhatsApp. In the status section, add any photo or video you would like to upload. Now before uploading it, tap onto this @ icon on your bottom right. Now select anyone you would like to shout out. Once done, tap onto Add. And by the way, you can add as many mentions as you want. Go ahead and write any caption. Once done, tap on the send icon to upload your status. To the person you have mentioned, they get a message from you saying that you mentioned them. They can also view and repost your status to their audience as well. This simple act can turn an ordinary status into a personal moment that builds connection and shows appreciation. Well, that's how easy it is to mention someone on your WhatsApp status. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.